eastern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, eastern York County in upstate South Carolina, until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southwest Charlotte and Carowinds. Flooding of some mobile homes on John Price Road may be occurring. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flash flooding include southwest Charlotte and Carowinds.